everyone, my name is Sylvia Widyarini with NPM 244111149, Management Class 24B. Here I will explain material about externalities. What is externalities? Externalities is a failure that occurs in the market. Uncompetitive market results make the market inefficient and do not maximize the total surplus. Externalities is an impact that occurs in the economy. These impacts can be in the form of negative or positive impacts. Example of negative externality: environmental pollution, waste from factories that pollutes the air or water, causing damage to the surrounding community. Noise from industry or transportation that distributes the comfort of residents. Congestion, heavy traffic due to economic activities that reduce time, efficiency, and community productivity. Cigarette smoke, smoking in public place that harms others by exposure to cigarette smoke. Example of positive externality: education, improving individual skills that have a positive impact on the economy and society. Vaccination, protecting others by reducing the spread of the disease. Green space, city park, improving air quality and environmental aesthetics. Technology information, spreading the benefits of technology that increase access to information and life. Renewable energy, education pollution and depends on fossil fuels. Positive externality: when there is a positive externality, the social value of an item equals personal value, direct value for beneficial buyers. External positive impacts value on the observed key social optimal to maximize will be at lower key. The social value of the educational unit exceeds the cost at a hierarchy. The cost of the last unit exceeds its social value. The impacts of externality: if externality is negative, market quantity is greater than socially desired. If the externality is positive, market quantity is smaller than socially expected. To solve the problem, intensities externality: tax on goods with negative externalities, subserving goods with positive externalities. Public policy on externality: two approaches, command and control. Police regulates behavior direction. Example: limit the amount of pollution emissions. Requirement that companies must adopt certain technologies to reduce emissions. Market-based policies provide incentives so that private decision markets will cost to solve their own problems. Example: corrective tax and subsidy, tradable pollution permit. Corrective tax and subsidy: corrective tax, a tax designed to encourage private decision markets to account for social costs arising from negative externalities. Also called Pigouin tax after Adolf Pigou 1877 sampai 1959. Ideal corrective tax: external cost. For activists with positive externalities. Ideal corrective subsidy: external benefits. Tax and other subsidies distort incentives and keep the economy away from social optimal. Corrective tax and subsidies harmonize private incentives, with community interests make private defense marks consider the costs and external benefits of their actions, moving the economy towards a more defense resource allocation. Summary: externality occurs when market transaction affects third parties. If the transaction produces negative externalities, for example pollution, the market quantity exceeds the social optimal quantity. If the externality is positive, for example, the effort of technology, the market quantity is less than social optimal. Some things people can solve externalities on their own, cause the arm status the private market can achieve socially optimal resource allocation as long as people can break at no cost. In practice, breaking is often expensive of or defenseless and cause the arm does not apply. The government can try to solve the problem. The government can internalize externalities by using corrective tax. The government can issue permits to polluters and build a market where permits can be traded. Such pollution of dance protects the government at a lower cost to the community than direct regulation. That's all the explanation about externalities material. For me, I hope it can help, and if there are any mistakes, apologies. That's all. Thank you.